Everyone is here to do business. But when you start making money in a safe and happy way, it changes everything. When at the end of the month you see 0 accidents, it makes all the difference for us because you become a happy family doing business. My name is Amit Kumar. I am the co-founder of Pristine Logistics. We essentially are in the business of providing solutions for exporters and importers of the hinterland. The subcontinent of India is challenged in many ways, and one of the bigger challenges is that the industrial locations, the locations which have high economic activities, are based in the hinterland, away from the ports. For example, Kanpur, which is a huge location for manufacturing of leather commodities, which are exported all over the world, Europe and the US. One of the challenges that leather exporters were facing in India was the requirement of ESG standardization in all their activities, production activities as well as logistics activities. This demand was coming from their overseas clients.
I'm R.K. Jalan, Executive Director of this company AFPL Global Private Limited. What we are doing is manufacture of footwear for the global market. Without logistics, we would not be in this business. That's the most integral part of our business. We are working with Israel, that's a new market for us, and also Latin America. That's a new market for us. Everything has moved. You can check the records through Pristine.
CDC introduced us to the concept of ESG, Environment, Social and Governance Standards. Their team came up with a whole lot of issues when they first experienced the way we work at our site. The moment we started understanding the benefits, we really adopted it wholeheartedly. As we have raised the bar on ESG issues, we've seen that customers have seen the benefit, not only socially, but actually economically.
I'm V.K. Goyal. I work in the capacity of Executive Director and Chief Executive Officer of SCL Manufacturing Company, which is a Ludhiana-based textile company. We deal with many retailers, which includes companies like Walmart, Target, Sainsbury, Marks & Spencer, and many others of that kind of stature. The major emphasis that Pristine has is on the health and safety, which makes a lot of sense for us because most of our customers, they expect us to work with organizations which have ethical values, which work in a social system, and they work with a lot of emphasis on health and safety. And it's not only restricted to logistics companies. In fact, they want us to deal with more and more vendors who have respect for health and safety and other social issues.
ESG is always something that you can always work on. Every bit of activity that we do, right from handling of the containers inside the yard, to handling of cargo, to handling of containers from the trains. The challenge is to make the best use of the skills that we have developed and create the right environment right up to the doorstep of the factory. So my challenge as of now is to create the best ESG transport movement available in India.